Elon Musk has made billions of dollars on electric cars and building rockets. It all made him the richest person in the world as of this week. But now Elon Musk has a new idea. He's going to create his own beer. Yes, you've heard it right. Tesla announced a new Gigabeer with Cybertruck-inspired bottle that it plans to sell out of its factory in Germany. The recent Gigabeer is another in series of Tesla's ominous projects that include the fart machine in the Tesla car and the fire-breathing flamethrower device that costs $500. This shows that Elon Musk has had plenty of strange ideas that sounded like jokes but became reality. Back in 2018, Musk poked fun at Tesla haters with an April Fool's joke about the company going bankrupt. As part of the joke, Musk wrote that he was found passed out against a Tesla Model 3 surrounded by Teslaquila bottles, the tracks of dried tears still visible on his cheeks. Later, he said that Tesla actually plans to launch its own tequila, and they did it last year, selling out in a matter of hours. Now, when talking about the Gigafactory Berlin project, Musk said that Tesla would have its own beer. Let's now dive deep into the discussion about this new beer project. But before we proceed any further, do us a favor and smash the like and subscribe button. Tesla to launch Gigabeer soon. During the GigaFest event that happened this month, Musk held a presentation about Gigafactory Berlin and confirmed that Tesla will make a Gigabeer.
And we're even going to have a beer.
You broke it.
It's broken.
Now we can all agree that Elon Musk is known for fairly gimmicky tactics to promote his products, but he might have outdone himself yet with the new Cybertruck-themed beer. The Gigabeer's bottles were clearly inspired by the aesthetics of Cybertruck, with its sharp angles and futuristic design. As I said before, the beer is part of a slew of developments and projects planned for Giga Berlin's campus. Talking about the same, Elon Musk said, "We're gonna build a train station that's right on the property. And then we're gonna have graffiti murals all throughout the factory, on the outside and everything. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool. We've got some of them already, and we're even gonna have a beer." Currently, Tesla officially owns the trademarks for both Gigabeer and GigaBier, according to the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The trademark request was filed on October the 11th, 2 days after the beer was revealed in Berlin. Unique design of beer bottle. Last year, the automaker launched the $250 limited edition Tesla Tequila, sold in a gold lightning bolt bottle. A second batch was released this March and quickly sold out in hours. Now, resellers have listed the empty bottles online for thousands of dollars, even without the tequila inside. Elon Musk was also doing some trolling on Sunday night. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Musk's net worth increased to a whopping $222 billion. He opened a bigger lead over Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, whose worth is now at $190.8 billion. Bloomberg said Musk's money increased because of the valuation of Musk's SpaceX. Regarding this, Bezos tweeted, "Listen and be open, but don't let anybody tell you who you are. This was just one of the many stories telling us all the ways we were going to fail. Today, Amazon is one of the world's most successful companies and has revolutionized 2 entirely different industries." Elon Musk tried to rub it in with Bezos, replying with a tweet showing a silver medal. Honestly, with that much money, it doesn't matter about gold, silver, or bronze. The 2 billionaires are rivals in the space game. Bezos' Blue Origin will have a launch this week in far west Texas. That's where 90-year-old actor William Shatner will take a quick ride on a Blue Origin rocket into space. Shatner, who played Star Trek's Captain James T. Kirk, will experience weightlessness for 4 minutes. The launch was pushed back to Wednesday because of high winds in the area. Now let's come back to the beer part. Beer advertisement. Elon Musk is very smart when it comes to advertisement and marketing. His unique style has always been appreciated and criticized as well. The beer advertisement is also mind-boggling, and linking the beer bottle design to Cybertruck clearly shows the genius of Elon Musk. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Where will the Tesla beer be sold? It's also unclear where exactly the beer will be sold. A clue can be found in Tesla's recent registration of 2 trademarks, like I mentioned before, with the US Patent and Trademark Office. The company trademarked Gigabeer, the German name that adorned the bottle during Musk's presentation. The other is the English version, Gigabeer. Now here comes that Texan twist. An Austin brewery-to-be, named Starbase Brewing, registered its own trademark on the same application date for Gigabeer. Starbase Brewing calls itself the official brewery of Mars, which is pretty bold for a brewery that is yet to open. Despite being named after the SpaceX launch facility in Boca Chica, the website makes it clear that Starbase Brewing is not affiliated, associated, authorized, endorsed by, or in any way officially connected with SpaceX or any of its subsidiaries or its affiliates. We are huge fans though. The company is currently building out the space that once housed the now closed Orf Brewing in Austin, but eventually plan to have at least one brew pub in Boca Chica itself. The ultimate goal, according to the site, is to open the first brewery on Mars. Gigabeer could be just the thing to launch Starbase's beer dreams into orbit. Like Tesla, Starbase did not respond to a request to comment. True fans indeed. Did its owners register a very similar trademark out of fandom, or have they been contracted to brew the beer for Tesla? As with a good lager, the mysteries of Gigabeer will become clear with time. Asked about the potential competition, Michael Graham of Austin Beer Works said, "What a coincidence! We're developing an electric car." Judging by the quality of Austin Beer Works beer, Tesla would have stiff competition if this were true. This isn't the first time Musk has entered the booze market. In 2020, he released Teslaquila, which was produced by Nosotros Tequila in Hermosa Beach, California. We can't predict how Gigabeer will taste or even if it will ever come to fruition, but that's not really the point. Musk has already done what he does best, riled up his adoring fandom and got the internet buzzing about the potential launch. There's no word on whether this beer will be self-drinking, but let's hope not. That wouldn't be any fun. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you want to know more about Tesla Cybertruck, make sure to watch other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.